Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your direct deposit info on ADP in 2025. Whether you got a new bank account or just need to update your details, this walkthrough has you covered. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to workforcenow.adp.com. Then log in with your ADP credentials. If you're forgetting your password, just use a forget password link to the reset quickly. Once you're logged in, look for Myself tab at the top of the screen. Click it, then go to the Pay and select Direct Deposit from the drop-down list. Now you will see your current direct deposit setup. To make a change, click Edit next to your existing account info. From here, you can update your banking routing number or account number, switch from checking to savings, or vice versa, checking the amount or percentage going to each account. If you're switching banks completely, you can also choose Add to set up a brand new direct deposit and then remove the old one. After you enter the new info, make sure to double check your routing and account numbers. If one wrong, this could you delay your pay. Then hit submit and wait for the confirmation message. Your employer may need to approve the change, and it might take one or two pay cycle for it going to the effect. And that's it. Your new direct deposit info is now in ADP. If this video helps you out, hit the like button, leave any questions down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a helpful how-to video in the next one.